Hello, good afternoon. This afternoon, allow me to share to you a special verse from James 1:5, and I made a title, Just Ask. The verse says, "Now if any one of you lacks wisdom, he should ask God, who gives to all generously and without criticizing, and it will be given him." Allow me to connect this verse to what the Lord Jesus Christ told his disciples in John 16:33, that says, "In this world you will have tribulations, you will have many trouble," or in other version pa, "you will have difficulties, trials or sorrows." What made this verse special to me is that matag karon kag unya naging part siya sa life nako. Tinuod ng sulti ni Jesus Christ na diri sa kalibutan, we have so many trials and sorrows. And James gives us a wonderful reminder, a promise from God that says, if any one of you lacks wisdom sa pag-atubang sa mga kalisdanan, you need guidance from the Lord, you need kahayag gikan sa Ginoo, just ask. No? Kana lang siya. Ingon diri sa verse, si Lord is a generous giver of wisdom. Wala siya nagtan-aw kung unsang nabuhat nimo nga mga past mistakes. Wala siya nagtan-aw kung unsang mga kamalian nga gibuhat nimo, or even wala siya nagtan-aw kung unsang mga achievements nga nabuhat nimo. Wala. In this context of James 1:5, nag-ingon lang siya, if any one of you lacks wisdom, just ask, and He is generous to give it without criticizing anyone. Grabe ang promise. The God who gives this promise is the God that never changes. The God who gives this promise yesterday is the same God who gives it today and even tomorrow. So this afternoon, allow me to encourage to you, maybe if you are facing a similar situation or maybe challenging situation, or maybe not now or in the future, just remember, just ask, and you will be given the wisdom that you need. Langit nun nga kaalam kag pagsabot nga willing ni Lord ihatag sa imo anytime you need it. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.